Welcome to another video. In this one I show you a comparison in real life between the LED lights from IKEA, Ledarre and Solhetta, or whatever it's called. These are the lights I wanted to purchase from IKEA, and this is the model, the 60 watts equivalent 806 lumens, 5.5 watts. This was actually the pretty good one, and now the one you see here with the dimmer, the light is from the one I wanted to purchase. Actually, it's more powerful, this one. It's 1520 lumens, 9.5 watts, and here on the left is one of the Ledarre lights. I'm not sure which one it is. I think we will see now in the video. And the main thing to look out here for is the color of the skin tone. I wanted to make sure the skin looks normal, the reds look nice, and the white looks clean white. This is the Solhetta 1520 lumens. Yeah, 9.5 watts. Compared to the Ledarre, which was even a bit cheaper, and this is the bigger version of Ledarre, 1600 lumens. And also these ones are dimmable. I think the Solhetta was dimmed a little bit, so here I made it maximum power. As you notice probably already, they're all flickering. And I don't know why they're flickering so much. Even the Ledarre, which is not dimmable, from what I understand, it's still flickering. And the color seems very similar between the two. I wanted to purchase the Solhetta, this one on the left right now. It looks a bit cleaner, I think, the color. But the flickering is it's really not good. I don't want that. It's not good to have it for regular lights in your room. You don't want to have this flickering all the time in your eyes. You don't see it in real life. You can only see it on the camera here because it's recording video in 60 frames per second. And before you write a comment below, I changed the anti-banding, anti-flickering mode to manual 50 Hz here as it is. Manual 60 Hz, automatic, it doesn't make any difference. It's always flickering, this thing. So but I guess it's because of the dimming. I'm not sure. This is the Ledarre, you see 1055 lumens, and that's not too bad actually. And the funny thing is, these ones don't flicker. It's the same style like this 806 lumens, but it's cold white. Doesn't look really cold in the video, but it is cool white. Yeah, I was a bit disappointed. Also, they didn't have stock anything I wanted in this shop. At least locally here in Cyprus, they didn't have it. Some USB cable, USB-C cable, USB-A to USB-C cable, no stock, not even online. Wireless charger coil, some of them only online, some of them not available at all, not even in the store or online anywhere. The charger stand also not available anywhere. Lots of things not available. Yeah, the dimming function is nice if you need it, but the reason I look for them is to have for the recording, so it's a nice light. It doesn't make any sound, without any fans or anything, just a simple regular light that looks good. So I don't know, this flickering, sometimes it goes away a little bit. But the interesting thing is that the 806 lumens these ones, they don't have it. Not this one, it's the white ones, the ones that are on the left even further. This is the one I wanted to purchase. Oh no, it was that one. Yeah, this one is the one I wanted, the Solhetta, the more powerful one. And the ones on the left there, they were the not non-flickering lights, and this one is even worse. Yeah, this is it's how it is. I guess they will get better in the future, hopefully soon. In the meantime, there are other options. Philips, I looked at some Philips lights video already uploaded or coming soon. I'm not sure, it depends which one goes first. But otherwise, if you need them for regular lights, they might be fine. Just don't know, this flickering, I don't like the flickering. It shouldn't be flickering like this. And also these are CRI greater than 90. CRI is color rendering index. And I was surprised the Philips ones are 80, greater than 80, and they look better to me somehow, I don't know why.